Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be upgrading my handlebar setup. So this is the bike I use for Zwift and indoor riding, and I picked up a used set of these Zwift ride handlebars that go with the new Zwift ride frame and all that stuff. So the guy who sold these got the Zwift ride but didn't want road handlebars with them. So he got mountain bike handlebars and put them on the Zwift ride. So he was selling these on eBay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap these over. I'm gonna try and put this into or replace these with the Zwift ride handlebars and see how we get on. Because I don't use the brakes for Zwift. I don't use any other gears because I have a Zwift click here that I use with the Zwift cog. So hopefully this should give me better functionality because this has the gear change buttons as well. I'm not exactly sure what these are for, but I guess we'll find out. But yeah, they are the same width as the current handlebars, so hopefully the swap should be straightforward. Well, that's it really. Installation was quite straightforward. So these are the old handlebars down there. So eventually I'll take these off, take off the bar tape, disconnect the brakes and everything because I'm not going to be using them again. This bike is going to remain inside for Zwift. And these are the Zwift ride handlebars. So yeah, and these are wireless as well. So these the two cables I showed you under here are for charging. So if I could get this to focus, I don't know. Yeah. So they're just standard USB-C charging connections. So one on each side. One for the right hand side and one for the left hand side. So yeah, they are wireless, so you don't have to worry about. So that's them in pairing mode there. And that's the pairing mode on the right hand side one. So as soon as Zwift is up and running, I will show you how they pair with the Zwift app, and yeah, using them along with the Wahoo Kicker Core. All right, that literally took about 10 minutes to swap. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. And in the next video, I will show you these bad boys when they are paired up with Zwift. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video if you think it will be useful for someone else as well. Until the next one, peace.